Hey everyone. So I decided to go ahead and finish the Wet and Wild Ultimate Expressions. The reason being is that I've had these things out because I was ready to do looks with them earlier this year. And so when I'm going to do look with some, I leave it out until I use it. And I just want to get it put away. So anyway, I'm doing the darker colors. The purple with the black and then the darker side. And I used the shadow eyes from Milani in the purple. So we're going to use that purple color right there. That's really dark. I think I'm going to have to use lashes. Not that I want to, but I'm going to have to. I do have to, I forgot to pick up my kids' meds, so I got to go pick that up. Okay. I didn't have to double dip in that one. And it's really pretty. It's like for, back in 14 years ago, pretty intense for a drugstore brand. And the cheapest one of that. Alright, I just dipped into that black. It's a very frosty black, which is good for me because frosty blacks will blend out more than a matte black, and it's softer. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to use this like mauve color right here. Especially since I have a tendency, because my eyes are so deep set, to get the contour color in my inner corner. So that's not really doing much. And then go into that like lavendery pink color right there. And that's for the highlight. Keep forgetting to do my brows. So I'm going to use this regular black liner. Don't usually use mascara. I'm going to wear lashes, but I'm going to clean up, finish our makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So this is the finished look. I did put lashes on, but I just left them in a plastic bag as opposed to sticking them to the plastic, and they were discombobulated. And then I remembered why I don't like using lashes, but I use the highlight color on the inner corners, and I used Fair Trade Coffee on my face. And then my for the lips, I used their darkest color, which is Late Night. So that's what I did with that.